Hello everyone and welcome to another ScrawlrBox unboxing and challenge. If you don't know what ScrawlrBox is, it's a monthly art supplies subscription box. You get it once a month in the mail after you pay for it. Check the link in the description if you want your own, and let's see what we've got. Alright, we've got our nicely packaged little package of supplies. We've got our paper and our print. We've got some cute things in bottles and the featured artist. Looks like we have two pieces of paper, black and white, so I guess I'll be creating two pieces of art. So let's see what we've got. Our supplies list and sticker. First, we have our candy Fizz Whiz. Super loud popping action, cherry flavored popping candy. So the first thing my eye goes to is this fancy looking brush. It's a Kuretake Wink of Luna brush, metallic green, and it just looks so fancy with that packaging. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this pull tab. Oh, it didn't work. I love the color of this. Let's see what we've got. Oh my. Do I push? How hard do I push? Oh, we're learning here. We're learning. I'm honestly scared that I'm just gonna squeeze this and a bunch of ink's just gonna come flying out. Is that supposed to happen? Oh, whoops. Oh no. Oh no. Why did I do that? I usually try these later. I don't know why I was so anxious. Wow, I'm making a mess. Oh boy. Here's a funny joke. It says, do not apply to the body. Whoops. Next, we have this Koh-i-Noor magic pencil. I have not used one of these since I was a kid. Of course, it was a lot cheaper, but you know. I just love how I am just stained green now. Whoops. Next is this Pilot V5 High Tack Point pen. Looks like a small tipped pen. And last we have these blue and purple Pentile hybrid dual metallic gel pens. Apparently you get different effects if you draw on light or dark paper, so that's why they probably gave us light and dark paper. All right, are you guys ready to see what the challenge is? And it is, not focusing, magic potions. Oh my gosh, that sounds a lot of fun. Why are you not focusing? I don't understand. Hello? There we go, magic potions. Okay, well, here we go. Let's try out some supplies and do the challenge. So I thought it would be fun to try the supplies on both black and white paper side by side, so I'm using the backs of the paper they provided. I'm excited to see some of these because these are kind of crazy. Let's start off with this multicolored pencil. I thought it would change more often. Okay. Well, I don't know, I could see that being a cool effect if you were into something like that. With my art, I really like control, so I don't think that would be something for me. And oh, look, it looks even cooler on the black paper, I feel like. Next, let's try out the Kuretake Wink of Luna brush. Ooh, it's so smooth. I don't know, I didn't expect it to be rough. It's a lovely color. I like the color. Ooh, and it even stands out on black even more. I feel like I don't know how to use brushes like this. Look at it bubble out. When I press it too hard, I don't know. The high-tech point just seems like it's going to be a basic liner, and yeah, it feels pretty smooth. Can you see anything on black? Barely. Oh, how does it work on top of the pencil? Oh, it does work on top of the pencil. And the Pentile hybrid dual metallic gel pens, which I'm interested to see the difference in color. Whoa. Wow, they're so shiny. I'm not really into shiny stuff, but that's really interesting. Like I said, not something I'm into, but it's pretty nice. And the blue and metallic green. So let's see what this one looks like. This looks really cool for something like a mermaid if you wanted the scales to be shiny. Let's see if I can squeeze a mermaid in here, huh? For MERMAY. Oh, it looks really cool on the black. Oh, that looks really nice with that green. Ooh, I might really like that. All right, now that we know what the supplies are like, let's try to make something. So like I said, I thought I would do something for MERMAY because I'm not participating in MERMAY because I don't care about mermaids. There, I said it. So I thought, you know, I'll do something. Why not? And yes, I am using a pencil and an eraser because you know what? I'm not actually going to create anything in the drawing itself with the pencil and eraser, so I don't think it counts for art supplies I'm using. I think I've used erasers that aren't part of the box before and no one's had a problem with it, so I can use a pencil. Anyway, now that that's out of the way, like I said, I'm doing something mermaid, and the, what was it? The theme was potion in a bottle, I think it was. Oh boy. I thought I'm doing that. I'm doing a potion in a bottle. I'm doing a mermaid. I'm giving her fish lips because my favorite way of drawing mermaids is giving them fish lips because I think it's funny. Because who are you to tell me what a mermaid looks like? Alright, so now we're going to use the fine liner provided and we're gonna make her. Let's give her some freckles. Oh my god, that made her so much cuter. What the heck? I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out because, man, those colors, those effects. Ooh, is the pen bleeding? What the heck? Did they not give me paper that was meant to be used? These are some weird hands. They're mermaid hands. That's what I tell myself. And that's how you draw a perfect circle. Oh yeah, that's a perfect circle. What? Oh, hold on. Oh. All right, there she is. Let's erase those pencil marks and then get to coloring. Wow, it sure is raining hard now. I'm sure you can hear all of that. Okay, well, let's get to coloring this little guy, little girl. Who am I to judge? The seagulls, the rain. Oh boy, it's gonna be quite a noisy video. Oh, I'm going all outside the lines right away. Do I need to squeeze it? I really don't know how this works. Oh my word! Wowie, that's wet. Can we get some of that, like, over here? Did not mean to do that. Ooh, I didn't think about skin tone. I guess they're just gonna be pure white. 'Cause they're under the water. They're like those fish that don't have pigment. We're gonna try to get some sort of effect in here. I don't know how that's gonna work. Squeeze, okay. Let's say squeeze lightly. No. Okay, let's let that dry, and until then, let's start painting the potion. So I figured I would play around with the pencils multicolored situation. I think that would make for a cool potion. Let's just hope that I can get some of the effects I want. That orange seems to be about the darkest color I can get. Let's get some red over here. I'm not sure how I feel about this. And by not sure, I just straight up mean like I don't think I like this. You guys know I like my uniform watercolor swatches, flats, and this is just all over the place. I feel like I have no control. Let's just do some like color shines here and there. What if I made the lips green? What if I made the lips green? Would that not be silly? Look, I just went right for it. Didn't even have to think about it for a second. Beautiful. I actually kind of like it. Let's see. I just, I'm not sure what to do here. There's not a whole lot of different colors to work with, but I think we can figure something out. All right, so I think maybe I'll do one of these colors for her hair and one for the detail of like her, what is it? Scales. So do I want her to have blue or purple scales is the question. I think blue would look the best. Let's give her purple hair. Because why not? This should be interesting. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. I've never filled something in with a gel pen before. Should take a hot minute, I'm sure. Oh my, her hair is going to be fabulous. Oh, I want to give her some shiny metallic lip shines. Oh my word. You know what? The hair doesn't look so bad with this pen. It doesn't, does it? Wow. I'm a little surprised somehow. Okay, I really want to add the the scales on her, but she's still wet because I like squirted so much on her. Let's see what we can do to the potion, see if we can't spruce it up a little bit, because it's looking a little sad. Can we add little circles in it for like bubbles? This pen is very juicy. It's a lot juicier than I expected it to be. What if, to suggest that there's water there, I colored it in a bit down here? I feel like that's not going to be a good idea, but let's just, you know, let's just see what happens. You never know. I thought I used the blue for the hair, not the purple. No, I think I did use the purple for the hair. Well, you know, it wouldn't be art without a couple of goofs. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this though. This is kind of a weird box to make an illustration out of, I feel like. I still wanted to add some shine on those lips. Let's see what we can do here. Horrible. Good job, Kasey. I think really quick I do also want to put a little bit of green on her ear things. Just because I feel like they need some color. And I guess that's it for our mermaid on white paper. I sound so unsure. It was just such a weird combination of art supplies. I don't know. But there it is. Okay, are you guys ready for this one? I just don't really know what to do with these supplies. So we're just gonna do something weird and we're gonna just see what happens to it. Again, perfect circle for me. You also can't see what's happening because I'm drawing on black paper. So good luck with that. This is going to be bad. I have a feeling. But we're gonna push through it. Are you ready? Are you ready? I love watching the pen go from blue to green. It's pretty interesting though, I gotta say. We're sort of gonna stick on the theme of mermaid. We're doing like a weird mermaid creature. It's like a mermaid fish. Whoa, and I'm doing bad. Not so much an animal, but also not so much a human either. This is not good. This is not good. I don't know what to think about this. It's cool to see that the pen does different things on different paper, but also what the heck am I supposed to do with these? So my next thought was to make it look like it's on fire. Well, not on fire, but maybe like someone's cooking this poor fish in a bottle. It's a potion, though. Don't forget. It's still technically a potion. It's being cooked in a potion of some sort. This is how the other mermaid came to be, okay? It was cooked in a fiery potion that it turned it into a mermaid. You know, I always gotta make stories up for my illustrations. You know how it is. Ain't no story gonna fix this. And then I thought, this is gonna be smoke or something. Oh, that would have looked cool. Oh, I donked it. That could have been a really cool effect to play around with had I not just completely donked it. I mean, it looks cool here, but I feel like I really could have done a better illustration had I played around with it more, I guess. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. That looks cool, but I feel like there's just no way to get any other sort of... You can't see anything on black paper. You can see it, but the only thing that stands out is that green metallic pen. You can't really see much of anything else happening, but either way... Oh boy, that's pretty bad, huh? So what do you guys think? Which of these two is your favorite? I'll leave a poll here. Vote for the mermaid girl or the fish in a bottle. They're both pretty interesting, I suppose. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me opening the ScrawlrBox. Click the link in the description if you want your own monthly box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!